and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my September Boxycharm. And for September, this box is Boxyluxe. I upgrade every 3 months to Boxyluxe. So on the off months, I pay $25 for Boxycharm. But when I get Boxyluxe, I pay $50 for this box. And I believe this box has a $250 value. So let's dig in without further ado. I've already opened because I was curious to see if I got the palette that was in this box. I was seeing other people opening and loving that palette, and I did get it. So actually, before I open the box, I'm gonna come closer because my eye look is from the palette. I don't know if you can see. When I open the palette, I will go through the colors that I used. So let's take a look. Let's open this box. So this month is Glam Vibes only. And I got, I don't know if you can see, it's a little hard at the bottom. That's my variation number, and I got variation number 19. So let's see. And I'm trying taping this a little differently in front of my pumpkins display. But let's go through, and I'm actually gonna get the palette out first because I know it's on top and I wanna discuss this. And this happens to be the, where is it? It is the Hipdot, the Zion eyeshadow palette. And this says it's conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. It's cruelty-free, vegan, TIAC-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. And it retails at $30. This palette is gorgeous. And side story, I happen to love the, I believe it's the Too Faced palettes, and I was looking at the pumpkin spice one that just came out, and some of the colors in this palette, when I open it, are very reminiscent to that palette. This is by Hipdot again. And that is the sleeve, so let me take it out of the sleeve. Here's the front of the palette. Here's the back, and let's open it. And again, I've already cracked this palette open, and I've used some of the colors. So I will tell you which colors for the eye look that I got. But look at all of these pretty, pretty colors. So there's a lot of purples and pinks and even some orange tones. So for my eye look today that I created, I used in the crease, I used Whisper. So it's, sorry, it's this purple right here by my finger. So this one right here in the middle. And then for the all over eye look, I used this one right here, and that is Virgin. So right here. And then for the outer crease, I used Majesty. So this very deep pink, almost kind of like a hot pink color. And that is my eye look. So again, see if I can come closer. And again, fun fall eye color look. So I'm very excited about that palette. And just for that alone, I am so thrilled that I ended up getting Boxyluxe this month. It isn't my first Boxyluxe, but like I said, I was dying when I saw that palette and hopeful that I would get it, and I did. I also received by Fenty Beauty, this is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Lighten up where you want, when you want, with weightless, long wear cream powder hybrid highlighters that range from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solos and expertly paired duos that instantly melt into skin and blend with almost zero effort. And this retails for $36. So between this and the palette, I have more than paid for my box this month. Oh, you can see it. There we go. And that's the packaging. And it looks like the colors that I received are Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. Oh, but I'm gonna open it so you can see the colors better. And I've seen a couple of other people, like I said, open their BoxyCharm so far, and the colors that were in their Fenty were kind of on the bright side. These colors, yep, just like I thought, are a lighter, they're more like brown tone and bronzy. So definitely have that shimmer for the highlight look, but definitely more of a bronzy color to it. Very pretty. Let me swatch. That's the lighter. And that's the darker. Just, we can see they're really not coming up all that well. Let's see if you can see them on my fingers. Those are the two colors on my fingers. That's the lighter, the darker. They're very, very light. As far as the highlight colors go, not bad. Again, definitely worth the buy-in of this box. Now, the next item was the item that I chose for this box this month. And this item, sorry about that, this is by Frank Body, and this is the original coffee scrub. Meet my original coffee scrub, the one that made me famous. I'm natural, vegan, and ready to work my magic on breakouts, scars, cellulite, and stretch marks. My blend of coffee, vitamin E, and antioxidant-rich oils keep your skin looking perky, even, and soft. And this retails for $16.95. This is the packaging. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm not using it just yet. But this just sounded intriguing, to say the least. And I read some of the reviews. And I'm very, very interested in using. And I will update you when I use it. But it sounded like a coffee scrub. I've never used anything like this, but it does say it buffs away dry skin and fights body breakouts. Cold pressed sweet almond oil promotes collagen for glowing skin, and again, vitamin E softens scars and marks. So again, definitely intrigued about this item. Also in here is, let's see, this is by Persona Cosmetics. This is the Power Brush, and this Power Brush is your multitasking, dual-ending best friend. This synthetic vegan brush allows you to highlight with one end and seamlessly apply your blush with the opposite, and designed for powder and cream applications, and it retails for $24. So, let's take it out of there. See where the, oh, I feel it. This is the packaging though. Let's get it out. So this goes with the highlighter, the Fenty highlighter, I believe. And it says, oh, this is the blush part of the brush. And then this is the highlighter. So this goes with your highlighter. And let's see, let's get rid of that. And then I also got, I'm trying to see, oh, this was also, I'm going to give you the other item that I picked for my customization for this box. So this is by Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Kate Intensifying Exfoliating Treatment. Clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. Kate's signature super facial exfoliates dull, dry surface skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore perfected skin in 2 minutes by clearing away dead skin cells. This holy grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your regimen, making every product and ingredient that follows more effective. And this retails for $85. So here's the packaging, the front, the back. Let's open it. Let's see. And this, let's see, here is the packaging. Let's see. Oh, it has a seal on it. I'm not going to open or break the seal, but again, with the cooler weather coming and using a lot of products and stuff, I'm very, very interested in using this on my face and hopefully getting rid of some of the dry skin cells from all of my BB makeup and products that I use, as well as the cooler weather that is being ushered in. So that is definitely more than worth what I paid for this box. Up next is by, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, so I apologize. This is the Ahava, the Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. Treat your hands to a light but luxuriously rich hand cream that helps keep skin and cuticles healthy and protected from the elements. This best-selling formula is made with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water and soothing witch hazel, formulated for daily use to elevate and lock in skin's moisture. And this retails for $36. So here is the front of the packaging. Here is the back. Let's see. Oh, it has like a seal. Hang on. Okay. And yes, I can. Let's see. Here's the cream. Just rub that in my hands. That smells very pretty. Nice smell. Very, very like not drying, very moisturizing. So that's that. And I think I have 2 more products. So I have by 1 Skin or 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And this is a 5-pack. The Ultimate Pre-Event Mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. And this retails for $135. So, wow. I'm not a big mask person, but I kind of am tempted to give masks a try. And for the price, I'm going to have to look into this more, but let's see if I can at least show you what one of the mask packages look like. So here is one of them. Not going to open the mask again because I'm not using it yet, but it looks like it's helping with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects skin from barrier functions. 24K gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone, and again rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. So again, perfect for the time of the year we're heading into, excuse me, and as well as the fact that yes, I am getting older and I do want to try to take care of my skin a little bit better. So I am going to hopefully give that a try soon, and I will report back to you on that one. And now, last but not least, this is by, it looks like, Chuchio. Somatology Calm and Clean Lavender Body and Hand Wash. A new shower cleansing body and hand wash ritual made to calm the senses using the finest ingredients. Epsom salt helps muscles feel rejuvenated after the most intensive workouts. Pro Vitamin B5 plus shea butter helps keep your skin feeling moisturized. Made with soothing and calming lavender oil, and this retails for $39.95. So there is the packaging, front and the back, and it is all sealed. And again, I'm not going to wash my hands right now or my body, so I'm not going to unseal this, but I'll probably be using this in the shower sometime soon. I still have a little bit of shower gel left, so when I'm good and ready, I will crack this baby open. But all the products in this box, let me do just a little math. Let me get my phone. And let's just see for the buy-in price this month, how we did. So 85 plus 30 plus 24 plus 38 plus 16.95 plus 39.5. So this box was worth a little over $400, so $402.90. And this box you pay, like I said, every 3 months. This is a $50 buy-in. So for the price, I say you can't beat it. And I am very, like I said, excited to try some of the products that are in this box. And again, let you know my thoughts hopefully soon. But now I just want to thank all of my subscribers for returning and supporting my channel. And if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And now I just want to wish all a magical day, and bye for now.